This is the Jackery HomePower 2000 Plus V2. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Jackery HomePower 2000 Plus V2, an AC charging cable, and the product documentation. 1. Get to know the unit. Up front, you'll find the LCD display and all your output ports. 4 AC outlets deliver 120 volts of power with up to 2400 watts of continuous output. That's enough to run a refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, even a window air conditioner. 2 USB-C ports, 140 watts and 30 watts. 1 USB-A port with up to 18 watts output, ideal for charging phones, tablets, and high-power laptops. A 12-volt DC port for devices like a portable car refrigerator. On the right side of the unit is the AC input port for wall charging. You'll also find 2 DC 80/20 ports for connecting solar panels, or an optional car charging cable. On the left side is the DC expansion port, used to add expansion battery packs for extra capacity. 2. Get the buttons down. The power button is your main system control. Press once to power on. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power it off. The AC1 and AC2 power buttons control 2 separate sets of AC outlets. The DC USB power button manages all USB ports and the 12-volt DC port, and the LED light button controls the light. 3. Charging the unit. Before first use, we recommend fully charging the unit. AC wall charging is the most straightforward method. When the battery power indicator ring starts rotating, charging is in progress. For solar charging, connect Jackery solar panels to the side DC ports. Each DC port supports up to 2 100-watt or 200-watt panels. The maximum solar input is 800 watts. For car charging, connect the optional car charging cable to your vehicle's 12-volt socket. While charging, the display shows the corresponding wall, solar, or car charging icon. Choose from 4 charging modes in the Jackery app. Normal charging. Emergency charging. Get a full charge from a wall outlet in approximately 1.5 hours. Quiet charging, under 30 decibels, perfect for overnight charging, or create your own settings with Customize. 4. Expand with battery packs. Need even more runtime? You can connect up to 5 expansion battery packs to this unit. Before connecting, power off both the unit and the expansion battery, then link them using the official expansion cable. The display and app will automatically update to show your total combined capacity. 5. The display. Press the power button once to wake the display. Press it again to turn the display off. By default, the display shuts off automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. The display has 3 sections. In the center, your remaining battery level. When the battery power indicator ring is moving, the unit is actively charging. On the left, input power and estimated time to full charge. On the right, output power and estimated remaining runtime. The icon rows at the top and bottom show system status. When the UPS icon is lit, uninterruptible power supply is active. This guarantees a switch to battery power in under 10 milliseconds when the grid goes down, keeping your devices running without interruption. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons show your connection status. When the discharge timer icon is lit, a countdown is active, and power will cut off when it ends. Icons for self-powered mode, charging plan. Time of use and energy-saving mode will light up when enabled. 6. The LED light. Press the LED light button once for steady light mode. Press it a second time for SOS mode. Press it a third time to turn the light off. 7. Key combinations. Here are 4 useful shortcuts to remember. Hold power and LED for 1 second to toggle emergency charging mode. Hold power and AC1 for 3 seconds to toggle energy-saving mode. Hold AC1 and DC USB for 1 second to toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Hold power and DC USB for 3 seconds to reset your network settings. 8. Connect to the app. Link your unit to the Jackery app to unlock the full feature set. You can download the app from the App Store, Google Play, or by scanning the QR code in the user manual. Once downloaded, sign in or create a free account. Power on the unit, select your device in the app, and pair via Bluetooth. Then connect to your home Wi-Fi to unlock all available features. Once connected, you can monitor your unit in real time, control it remotely from anywhere. Two standout features are worth highlighting. First is Priority Power Mode. When battery runs low, non-essential devices shut off automatically, keeping your critical appliances running. Second is TOU mode. This lets you charge during off-peak electricity hours and use stored power during peak rate periods, helping you use power smarter and save more money. That's the complete getting started guide for the Jackery HomePower 2000 Plus V2.